SpaceX does not need one Starship to reach Mars. It may need one Starship waiting above Earth, while several more launch just to bring it fuel. Picture it, a silver ship in orbit, silent, pointed toward the moon or Mars. It looks ready to leave, fuel low. That is the strange part of Starship. The public story is usually the launch, the tower, the engines, the fire, the return. But for missions beyond low Earth orbit, getting to space is only the first room in the maze. The harder question is what happens after the rocket stops climbing. Starship is designed around a simple, brutal idea: reuse the ship, then refill it in orbit. SpaceX describes on-orbit refilling as central to sending large cargo toward Mars. NASA's Artemis program also depends on Starship as a lunar lander concept, which means this is not just a Mars dream on a poster. It is part of an actual moon architecture. The record is real. The promise is still being tested. The fuel is not ordinary fuel sitting calmly in a tank. Starship uses liquid oxygen and liquid methane, kept extremely cold. In microgravity, fluids do not settle neatly at the bottom like they do on Earth. They float, spread, warm up, boil off, pressurize tanks, and force engineers to prove where the propellant is, how much moved, and whether the system remained stable. Space makes even filling a tank feel slightly unnatural. The Mars rocket becomes something stranger. One Starship reaches orbit, another launches as a tanker, maybe more follow. They have to rendezvous, dock, connect, transfer super cold propellant separate, and leave behind a ship with enough fuel to continue. No heroic ignition. Two spacecraft quietly trying to do plumbing at orbital speed. That is why the gas station image matters. It sounds casual, almost silly, but it may be the real infrastructure test. Can Earth orbit become a place where spacecraft arrive empty and leave capable of going farther? Starship is above Earth, enormous and alone. It does not leave because it is powerful. It leaves because other starships come to fill it up. The future of SpaceX may not be one dramatic launch. It may be a silent transfer line, glowing cold between two ships in the dark.